na 370 naira before Jagaban become the president of Nigeria. Under 1 minute, the price of petrol change. Just one speech of Jagaban the day they once well am in. The price of fuel wey dey for 370 naira just rise up to 1,000 plus. Hey, wetin dey happen in this country, Nigeria? $1 was 600 and something naira before Jagaban come in office. Right now, as I'm talking to you, $1 is 1,700 and something naira. Are we going forward or are we going backward? Jagaban, please answer me this question. Under 1 month in his office, hunger come in Nigeria. Both Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, Igbo, Niger Delta, Benin, everywhere, everybody start complaining. Hungry everywhere. Just 1 month. Wait, I won't ask. So after Jagaban finish this term, he go do another one, another 4 years. Hey, in fact,
Babangida don't destroy Nigeria. Obasanjo don't destroy Nigeria. Buhari don't destroy Nigeria. Jagaban don't finish Nigeria.
bolo bolo, bolo bolo, bolo bolo country. Bolo bolo, bolo bolo, bolo bolo country. Dem don borrow from China, dem don borrow for Britain, dem don borrow from America, dem don borrow for Japan, dem don borrow for World Bank, dem don borrow for France. All the money dem borrow, I don't know what they are using it for. Very soon they will go borrow for Uganda. Very soon they will go borrow from Zimbabwe. Very soon they will go borrow from Kenya. Very soon they will go borrow from Ghana. After they finish borrowing on the earth, they will go borrow from Jupiter. If na lie why they talk, you can ask Elon Musk. Bolo bolo, bolo bolo, bolo bolo country. Bolo bolo, bolo bolo, bolo bolo country.
Babangida don't destroy Nigeria. Obasanjo don't destroy Nigeria. Buhari don't destroy Nigeria. Jagaban don't finish Nigeria.
All the politicians in Nigeria, you people need to repent. Both from the president, governors, senators, all of you people, una need to repent. Why una dey suffer people wey put una in that seat? Hungry everywhere. Poor people cannot buy food and eat. Hunger dey too much. And most of you politicians don't care. No be only Jagaban be our problem o. All the Nigerian politicians, you people need to repent. I want to use this opportunity to beg Jagaban, please sir, if you know how the prices of fuel and everything dey before Buhari leave office, please make e leave am like that. I know say e no good, but we can manage am like that. Leave the prices of everything as e dey before you become the president of Nigeria. We can manage am like that, please sir.